What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create your own WhatsApp link on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to go to your Chrome browser. After going to Chrome browser, you have to type a website called create WA link. You have to type this and you have to search for this. After doing so, you can see here is a website called create WA link. You have to click on this website. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow these steps that I'm going to show you. So after entering the website, you can see here is a bunch of options. What you need to do, you have to click on create a free WA link. So you want to create our WhatsApp link for free, you have to click on it. Then after clicking on it, you can see here is a option called country. You have to click on this country in this flag. Then you have to select the country that your WhatsApp numbers belong to. I'm going to do mine. After doing so, you can see here is your country code automatically added. Then you have to put your phone number here. I'm going to do mine. Okay, after typing a demo phone number, you have to put your own number. After putting the phone number, you have to click on this, and if you want to send a custom message just like this, I'm going to do mine. If you want to send a custom message to your friends that who clicked on this link, and they will see this message after clicking on this link. So you can put your custom message. After putting this, you can see here is a two option, preview and generate my link. You have to click on this option, generate my WA link. After clicking on this, here you can see this is your WhatsApp QR code, and if you click on this add link to QR code, this is your WhatsApp link. So if you want to copy it, you have to click on copy link just like this. Then your link is copied. You can paste it anywhere on your mobile phone. So this is how you can create your own WhatsApp link on your mobile phone. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.